I have a handy car vacuum cleaner from Audew to show you today. I'll be looking at it here and then I'll take it out to my car to try it out. This Audew vehicle vacuum cleaner comes with a carrying bag and inside has an extension hose, a crevice tube, and a brush attachment. Tell it's very long. This is the crevice tube. And the extension brush. It's very easy to grip and it's lightweight and it's a lot better looking than most car vacuums. As you can see, it is red and black. This is a wet-dry vacuum cleaner, so if you need to get up some liquid, that should be no problem at all. It operates with a 12-volt DC, so it attaches to your cigarette lighter. As you can see right here on the end. It has a 4800 PA section, so it can handle pet hair, crumbs, and whatever unwanted debris that ends up inside your vehicle. It opens here to allow you to empty the debris, and there is a washable, detachable HEPA filter inside. It's inside right here, you can see it through there as well. Here is a better look at the extension tube here. As you can tell, that itself is a bit stretchy and you can elongate it a little bit more. Here is the crevice tube. Just put it on right inside, like that. And here is the brush. The power cord is very, very long. It's 15 feet or 4.6 meters. So you have no worry about having to get another extension cord or trying to figure out how am I going to get up all those crumbs. It is very long. And it has an LED light, and that is a great feature for a product like this. So I'm going to head out to my car and give this a try. So I've got it all plugged in the car and everything, and we're going to see what it does.
Wow, that's getting stuff up fast. Wow. I don't think I've been able to easily clean these as I am now.
Alright, so I put the crevice tool on and I'm going to get out all of the stuff in between right here. First, let me move some stuff out of the way so I can get there better. Alright, gonna turn it on, let's go. Get this stuff done too. Man, some of that stuff is crusted on, but it did get a lot of it up. Get the cup holder. Try the brush attachment now. Okay, I'm gonna put this on.
Here it goes. Alright, gonna check the seat.
Alright, so this is the Audew portable car vacuum cleaner. This is going to be very, very, very handy, and it's a great portable product. Thanks for watching, and please check the description section below for more information.